Hello students, welcome to your maths lecture. So children, in our yesterday's class we had started a new chapter, that is division, right? And we had also learned that is division as equal sharing. Okay, so let's revise. Here you can see that is divide the objects as per the instructions and write the division sentence for the same. First is to divide 24 circles into group of 4, right? So here there are 24 circles. Now let's divide them in the group of 4. So like this, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, again 4, again 4, and again 4. Right. So we have divided 24 circles into groups of 4, right? So what will be the division fact? It will be 24. We had 24 circles, right? And we had divided it by 4. Okay? So 24 divided by 4 equals to count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Equals to 6. Okay? Then we have second, that is divide the objects as per the instructions and write the division sentence for the same. Divide 15 circles into groups of 3. We have 15 circles. We have to divide them in the groups of 3. So 1, 2, here again 3, again 4 and 5. So the division fact will be 15. So we have divided 15 circles by 3, right? Here are 1, 2, 3 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So it is 15 divided by 3 equals to 5, and 5 is quotient, right? Third we have is divide the objects, right? That is divide 12 circles into groups of 2. Here we have 12 circles, right? You can count if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have to divide, so we have to divide 12 circles into the groups of 2. So like this, 2. Okay, only 2 circles should be there. 2, right? So now the division fact will be 12 circles, that is divided by 2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Okay. So now today we are going to learn about the division as equal grouping. Okay. We are going to learn about the division as equal grouping. So division as equal grouping. So we can also divide things by equal grouping. So for example, you can see that Miss Ruhi bought a box of 12 cupcakes. 12 cupcakes, okay. Miss Ruhi bought a box of 12 cupcakes. Now she wants to give 4 cupcakes to each of her student. Okay. She wants to give 4 cupcakes to each of the students. She wants to give 4 cupcakes to one student. Okay. How many students will get cupcakes? So now we have to find this out. If Miss Ruhi has 12 cupcakes and if she wants to give 4 cupcakes to each of her student, then we have to find we have to find how many students will get cupcakes. Okay. First what we do is we make groups of 4 cupcakes each, right? So we have to make the group of 4. So here are the 4, other 4. So it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I think 4 are left. So we will make one other group. Okay. So it is 12. So now 12 cupcakes are over. And she wanted to give 4 cupcakes to each student, right? So if she gives 4 to one and 4 to another and 4 to third one, then 12 cupcakes are over. So children, here we have made 3 groups of 4 cupcakes. Okay. So we have made here 1, 2 and 3 groups of 4 cupcakes each. So we can also say that 12 cupcakes divided into 4 gives us 3 groups. Right? It gives us how many groups? 1, 2 and 3 groups. So the division fact for this is 12 cupcakes divided by 4 equals to 3. So the number of students will be 3, right? So here 3 is the quotient. So we read it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay. Now let's do the exercise 8.2. Don't worry, you will have more examples to see, so it will be clear to you. And then still if you don't understand, you please let me know. Okay. This topic is very easy. If you understand one, then you will be able to solve it. Okay. So here we have exercise 8.2, that is fill in the blanks. What you have to see is tomatoes in all. So count the tomatoes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tomatoes in all 4, right? Tomatoes in each group, it's one group, it's second group. So tomatoes in each group are 1 and 2, right? And number of groups, 1 and 2, again 1 and 2. There. So children, here it is division as equal grouping. Okay, so I'll explain you. Division as equal grouping. So we can also divide the things by equal grouping. Here you can see that Miss Ruhi bought a box of 12 cupcakes. How many cupcakes? 12. Now she wants to give 4 cupcakes to each of the student. So how many students will get cupcakes? That you have to count. Okay. For that we make groups of 4 cupcakes, right? So 4 is gone. So left are 8. Again 4 are gone. Then left are 4. So again 4 are gone. Okay, so 12 cupcakes are over. Now we have made 3 groups of 4 cupcakes each, right? 1, 2 and 3. We have made 3 groups of 4 cupcakes each. Okay, so we can also say that 12 cupcakes are divided into 4 gives us 3 groups. So 12 cupcakes divided into 4 gives us 3 groups, right? So here 3 students, so she distributed it equally among 3 students. So 12 cupcakes made 3 groups of 4 cupcakes each, right? So 3 students got the cupcakes and each student got how many? 4. Okay, so the division fact for this is 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Here 3 is quotient, so we read it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so here children, again I am telling you 12 cupcakes. So we have made 4 groups. Okay, so sorry, so we have make groups of 4 cupcakes each. So first we took 4 because she wanted to give 4 cupcakes to each student. So we made 4. So again how many were left? 8. Again we made 4. Now 4 are left. So again we made a group of 4. So altogether 3 groups are made. Okay, and 3 students got 4 cupcakes each. Okay, let's see an example so it will be clear. It is filling the blanks. So tomatoes and all. So tomatoes in all you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now tomatoes in each group, here there are 2 groups. Okay, so each group has how many tomatoes? 1 and 2. 2. And number of groups there are how many? Here there are 1 and 2 group, right? So we will write here 2. Okay, now the division fact. What will be the division fact? It will be 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. 2 will be the quotient. Okay, 2 will be the quotient. Okay, so like this you have to do this also, that is lemons in all. So lemons in all will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So lemons in all, you will write lemons in all 15. Now lemons in each group. Each group lemons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, right? Now number of groups is 1, 2 and 3. 3. So now division fact will be 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. 3 is the quotient. Okay? Like this you have to do this too also. And still if you can't understand, then please let me know. Okay? So that's all for today's maths lecture.